So that you can see there. This is a heartbeat in there. Can you see that? Right. Right. So those white beads around, there are the ribs of one puppy.
Oh.
Right. Right then. Let's go and see if I can take another.
Oh, there's 2 heartbeats there, aren't there?
Let me just. Do you think she will lay down? I mean, like lateral, because I think we can see a little bit.
Or on her back, maybe. Or like on her
lateral,
side.
you know, if she can
on
go
her side.
on the side. Yeah, sorry, I'm just.
Minnie. Okay, lay down, Mama. Lay down. She's just a bit nice, isn't she? Oh, Minnie.
That is the doctor.
I don't know. Do you think it'd be better to hold her?
Maybe like this. If you, I think she's gonna be happy with you.
Good girl, Mama.
There we have another. Let's see if I can find that heart. I know.
Yeah.
I know.
I don't know if you
Well,
would do a better
definitely-
job holding her because you're better at restraining her than I am.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, maybe you're better at holding her because I'm just like, I don't know.
That's fine, no worries. So. Definitely is a positive pregnancy. Okay, definitely we are pregnant. Alright.
Minnie being a bit fussy.
There we go. So this one.
Oh, there's a rib there.
Yeah, we can see all this time in this one.
Yeah. Oh, there's 2 there, isn't there?
Yeah, there we go. This is another one.
I think I only felt 2 because I did touch something.
There is another heart. Can you see it in the corner of this?
Yeah. So is that...
There is. So in here at least we have 2. One
Oh, look at that.
is lovely, but she's moving so much. There we go.
Oh my god, that's the first time I've ever seen something like that.
So then we can see now 1 heart beating in the right and a cage rib, you know, rib cage in the other.
Yeah.
Strong girl, you're a little fighter, aren't you?
Right, and now I'm just gonna try in the other side because I was all the time in this side.
Oh, so that was just that side?
That doesn't mean anything. It
Yeah.
can be now if I go to the other side, I may see the same ones but in different angle.
Okay.
So I can never count how many. 2 at least because, you know, I could see, you know, 2 in the same screen, but now it won't be, you know. Alright. Minnie. There we go, monkey.
Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, that's amazing.
Another. We can have the view of 2 again, but they can be the same 2, you know, that's the thing.
Oh, good girl, Mama.
So then another heartbeat right now there. Can you see it in the left now?
So is that the same one?
That is what I cannot tell you.
Yeah,
That
okay.
that will be, you know, it can be a different one or it can be exactly the same. That's the thing. So that's why we can never say how many are they. The thing is, like, I cannot find a good angle that you can see the shape of the body, you know. Lateral, that's what I was trying to look for.
Oh, there. Look at that.
That is a spine and heart. Can you see on the head? It's a little bit difficult to see, but can you see it, don't you?
Doing very well.
Look on the ribs better now.
Yeah, I can.